Very good morning, dear children. We have started for Voyage 2, 2.2, The Worth of a Fabric. It is a story based on a Tamil poet named as Thiruvillar. It is said that, do you know the fabric was not made in a day? The cloth is not made in a single day. Why? Because many people have toiled to make it. Many people thought that they can make a cloth in a single day. But no, we can't make it. Why? First, the farmer grew cotton in his field. First, what happens? The farmer has to grow cotton in his field. And he has to work hard for months through sun, through rain. Whole day he has to work in the farm. Whether it is a sunny day, whether it is a rainy day. He has to work in the farm. He picked cotton from each ball. He removed cotton from each ball. Each ball means part of the cotton plant. And gave it for spinning. And gave it for spinning means what? Spinning means process of making yarn or thread out of cotton wool. And gave it for spinning. Spinning means what? Process of making yarn or thread out of cotton wool. Then someone else carded the cotton. Someone else, what did they do? They carded the cotton. Carded means what? Cleaned, combed the cotton to remove what? To remove the seeds from the cotton. The threads were dyed carefully. Then what happens? Over here, all this work is now from here. Then someone else carded means here the weaver has to do all these work. Who is the weaver? A weaver is a person whose job is to weave cloth, to make cloth. Okay? Then someone else carded the cotton and spun it into long uniform threads. Then the threads were dyed carefully. Then these threads have to be dyed carefully. Different colors has to be given on that. So that they took on these lovely colors. So that means this cloth looks very beautiful. By different colors, red, blue, green, yellow, white, orange, whatever color you want. Your choice colors are there. My wife and I wove the threads together. That means the weaver and his wife, they weave the threads together, putting in beautiful designs. Then they put beautiful designs on this cloth which is made. After weaving the threads, they make a cloth, and on that cloth they put the colors, and on that cloth then after putting the colors, they put designs. We thought someday someone will like this fabric. Now they say that someone or the other will like this cloth. Fabric means cloth. One or the other day. Everyone's choice is different. Your choice is red color, other choice is blue color, other choice is reddish in color. Different colors choices are there, different designs are there. So it is that someone or the other will like that cloth and they will be happy to wear it. Then all our work would have been rewarded. Then they say that someone or the other will like this cloth and they will stitch that cloth and wear it. And they will give us a reward. They will say, yeah, so beautiful design, so beautiful color. This is the reward they wanted. When you destroyed this fabric, you destroyed all the love and the labor that went into its making. Now Thiruvillar is explaining all these things to that young man, because he tore that fabric into pieces, And then all these things he's explaining to that person, that young man. When you destroy this fabric, this cloth, you destroyed all the love and the labor. The labor which has done hard work for making this cloth. You've destroyed all the love. And money cannot bring it back. Now you want me to give the money, you want yourself to give money for this cloth to me. Because you tore the cloth into pieces. No, money will not bring that cloth back. The softly spoken words touched the young man's heart. These words touched the heart of the young man. Now he was really ashamed of himself. He was really sorry for himself. Why did I do all this thing? And do you know? Thiruvillar went on to say, I can weave another fabric like this, But our life is also like a fabric. Thiruvara said, I can weave this cloth again. I can get this type of cloth again. But our life is also like this. Even our life, when it is destroyed, when it is not keeping well, or when we have gone to heaven, do we come back? No. So this is way, if we tear the cloth into pieces, it will not be joined, it will not be made when it is made into pieces. If you tear it apart with hasty, if you tear it with hasty means what? With, you can say that means he was very angry and he wanted to test me. Thoughtless, without thinking, thoughtless actions, it will be destroyed. Everything will be destroyed if you don't think what you are doing, and you will not get it back again. The thing which is one torn, everything happens, whatever you have thrown it into dustbin will not come back. Thiruvara words opened the young man's eyes. These words opened the young man's eyes, and there and then he decided to give up all his idleness. From that day onwards, he thought, no, I'll remove this laziness and this bad habits from myself. I will start doing the work, and I'll not trouble anyone or make jokes or fun of any people. So money is not important. What good work you can do for others, that is important. So my dear children, read this chapter. I'll solve the question answers tomorrow. Till that time, you read these meanings also. Just see. Ball means pod of cotton plant. Spinning, process of making yarn or thread. Carded, clean and comb cotton to remove seeds. Spun, drew out and twisted cotton to make yarn or thread. Rewarded, when one is rewarded, one gets what he has worked for. Idleness, laziness. My dear children, go through the chapter, read it, and I've given the question answers as per the passages I've finished. You have to solve those question answers. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.